everyone, it's great to see you. It's been raining outside all day today, so we are inside going to do a quick unboxing for you of a dwarf conifer that I'm very excited about. Now, you're going to be hearing a lot about conifers from me in the next couple months because conifers stay out through the winter, which will be really nice. This is going to give some added winter interest, and I'm actually going to be making some of these dwarf conifers I've been collecting the centerpieces of my bag in a pot. So this is one that I saw on Mr. Maple that I am so excited about. It is a special type of dwarf Colorado blue spruce. Oh, look at this little baby here. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So if you take a look on the end of each of these little pine branches here, it has a pine cone. So the interesting thing about this conifer is it's called ruby teardrops, and it's called ruby teardrops because as the conifer puts out this new growth, it is bright red. So I'm going to find a picture and drop that in for you. It is beautiful, and although they call it ruby red, it really is more of that deep pink that I love. So when you look at this cute little conifer, you get to see this beautiful color covering it in the spring. I know Dan is going to love to take some close-up pictures of that. So this little guy is going to live in a planter because it is hardy zones 3 to 7. So we're zone 6B, 7A. So actually we're on the warm side for this little guy. So I'm gonna keep him in maybe partial sun. Usually your conifers like a lot of sun, but I don't want him to get too hot. But I know that this beautiful little ruby teardrops is going to be fine because it's so cold hardy and I can keep it in that planter. If you are thinking like me that you want a planter that has conifers in it through the winter to get some of that interest, that winter interest, then look for those that are hardy to real cold zones. So this cute little guy is going to be planted up and I'm really excited about it. And the cats are really excited about the box that it came in. Pumpkin. Yes, that's so much fun. So from Pickle and Pumpkin and myself, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.